Presenting the Dodge 2020 Charger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include black cloth sport seat, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 painted cast aluminum, STD, quick order package to EG included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, granite pearl coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, STD, tires, P215/65R17LOW Rowling Rees, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, rear-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.